Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a Christmas tree decorations haul. I have a bunch of ornaments that I want to show you guys. Anyways, let's get started. So, I got some tinsel garland. One is just like a mini version of like the regular big ones, and it's silver. And then I got a star kind. I've never used these kinds, but I decided to try it out this year for my mini tree. So yeah, I got these two. And I got red, gold, and silver little ornaments for my mini tree. There's 6 sparkly ones, solid ones, and then kind of matte ones. And I also got like a bigger version for it, and it's for my bigger mini tree, if that makes sense. They all have like little snowflakes on them. And then I got these mini ornaments that represent as snowy pine cones, and I thought these were really cool because I like winter, so I wanted to like incorporate winter in my Christmas tree. I got mini candy canes, and I like putting candy canes on the Christmas tree, so I decided to get fake ones, and I finally found them at the dollar store. Oh yeah, these are all from Dollarama, by the way, which is a dollar store in Canada. And then I got this set of ornaments that has 6 drums, little balls, and then bows and presents. And then I also got some mini glitter snowflake ornaments. I got this tree topper, a star one for my mini tree, the big mini tree. I still need to get one for my smaller tree. And I got this white tree skirt. I don't know if I'll be using it for my big mini tree or my small mini tree. But yeah, I've been meaning to find a white fluffy one, but I only found this one, so it'll do for now. I got 2 mini lights, one white one or clear one and one multicolored one. And then last but not least, I got this, or my sister wanted to get this countdown thing, days until Christmas, and I thought it was really cool. So it's so cool. And just like you like change it from the back, and then it changes the numbers, which is pretty high tech to me. But yeah, the snowman one. They have, I think they have a reindeer one and a Santa Claus one too. But my sister and I went with a snowman. So yeah, that's all that I have to show for you today. I will be doing another Christmas haul because I have a bunch more ornaments that I bought. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Once upon a time.